So now we're going to move ahead and start to create our hierarchies, which is an aggregation or a roll-up of these different members in the dimension. So the first thing we're going to do is create our hierarchy, and that is what this middle box is for. In this box, you have like a list of your members in the dimension. And in the middle box, it'll show you how your hierarchy rolls up. So we're going to roll gross profit and operating expenses into net income by doing like so. Just drag net income over here. And then I'm going to take both gross profit and operating expense. I'm hitting shift just to select them both. And I'll bring that right underneath net income. And the sales and cost of sales are what together make up the gross profit. So I will, again, select the two of those and drag this under gross profit. And here we have a hierarchy. Now, a couple of these items need to be weighted as a negative. I'll show you how to do that now. Cost of sales is a negative. So we're going to come here, right click, and then go edit weight. And this will be a -1. And that means that whenever there's a cost of sales, it will be a debit from that database. And similar with operating expenses, this also should be a -1. This simple roll-up and hierarchy saves a lot of time and effort in Excel formulas. Okay, you're going to want to save always after you make changes like this. So we'll save that account. And over here, you can see the detail. If I select net income, it'll show me the children of the net income. And if I select gross profit over here, it shows me the children of gross profit. Hit save here just to make sure all of those things have saved. And we'll move on to our next dimension, which is version, to create the version hierarchy. We'll start with variance on the top, and we put actual and budget underneath. And we'll weight the budget with a -1. This will make it really easy to see the difference between the actuals and the budget. We will do the months. So we have total year at the top, and then our quarters underneath. And this makes the quarterly roll-ups super clean and easy for reporting. Now, sometimes you have to be careful how you drag these. You have to make sure you drag it underneath so that you get this parent-child relationship. April, May, June, under quarter 2, July, August, September, quarter 3, lastly, quarter 4. Oh, see, drag that all the way under quarter 4. And we'll hit save. And I forgot to save on these, so I'm just going to click save on each of them to make sure that our hierarchies are all in place. Okay, let's create our region hierarchy. We'll start by bringing the parent members over under region. So the parent members will be in North and South America. And we'll bring the United States, Canada, and Mexico under North America, and Colombia and Venezuela under South America. And we will hit save. Now that we've created our dimensions in our PowerExcel database, we can create our first cube. So that's super simple. I'm going to click on cubes. I'm going to right click. I'll say new cube. I'm going to call this sales. I'll hit create. And then it's going to ask me which dimensions would I like to use in my cube. I'd like to use all my dimensions. I'm going to say okay. And then we have our cube created. We're going to click save. And boom, there you have your cube.